Now that our cookies have cooled completely, we have other decorating options. If you've decided that colored cookie with some sprinkles of sugar on it aren't quite enough for you, you can always add some icing. What I would recommend is using royal icing, which is going to dry to a nice dry solid icing, so you don't have to worry about stacking your cookies, because once the icing is dry you can stack them without it messing up. And if you're going to use it in a pastry bag, you want to make sure you have a nice small tip for decorating cookies. You don't want something that's big enough for writing on a cake, because that's going to be much too big, particularly for these smaller cookies. So if you were doing a Christmas tree, you might want to squeeze some around the edges, and of course you can use any color that you want. I just have white for demonstration purposes. So perhaps you would do a white outline, and then you could always add ornaments in. Just do little drops of icing. The only limitation that you have is your own imagination. Certainly once you put some icing dots on there, you could also put small candies. The only thing to be aware of is, because these cookies are so small and delicate, you don't want to overdo it. So maybe you have one that has the sugar on it. You do some outline, maybe some branch lines in there. The important thing is just to do what you want to do for your cookies. Using your imagination to create one-of-a-kind cookies, either to consume with yourself or to give out to friends and family, is one of the joys of Christmas.